Hello, Aries. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be for August 1st to the 15th for you guys. We are going to be looking at, like how I usually do it. I'll first look at your current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome as well for you. So, while watching this, please remember this is general, it may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. So, I'll first start with looking at what's going on with you. So, I'll give you a tip on how to know if this reading is resonating with you or not. So, first, see if the current situation is something that you're facing. And if that is true, then pretty much I feel the outcome will also resonate that I pick up for you. And I'll end it off with some advice from the universe to you. What should you do in these 15 days? Okay? So let us begin, Aries. Let's see what's going on with you currently. What's going on with Aries currently? What's the current energy for Aries universe? Let's see. Page of Swords, Four of Wands, Nine of Wands. Okay. There is an idea in your mind, it seems, and it's something that you think will bring you stability. Okay. You have a lot of faith in this idea, but you're also at the same time a little scared about investing yourself fully in this situation. That could be because it is triggering some past memories of yours. So, but you have to understand that this is coming to you so that maybe what you did or something that you did in the past, you have to rectify that. The way of doing has to change. Okay, it's not like you did it in the wrong or right way, we're not getting there. What we need to understand here is that how you're doing it has to change, because this is a situation that will bring stability in your life provided you do it the right way. What is the right way? Slow. Don't rush into things. Page of Swords is usually someone who's impulsive. So maybe in the past, when this thing came in your life, you were impulsive. And that is what you need to change. Okay? Maybe if you keep it slow and steady, it will work out in your favor. And if you don't, then it will not. So it's not like there is a problem in the situation, there is a problem in the way you are executing or the way you are expecting things from this situation. The problem is there. Okay? I see that you are not willing to let go of this. However, even with the fears being there, you still not wanting to lose out. You still don't want this thing to go away from you. But the fear is also existing. All right. Now, if this situation resonates, let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days, August 1st to the 15th for you, Aries. What can you expect? Five of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Six of Wands, okay. So the answer lies with you, Aries. Guys, I'm seeing that it's a choice that you need to make. If you want to stick around in the brooding energy, you can. But it's up to you if you want to be in your element and break free from this feeling. Because it is important. Okay? I see this to be important. So, what I see over here is that you want it. You want this in your life. But you're locking up certain things around you. Like, for example, you don't want it to go because I think this is a karmic situation. You don't want it to go. You sense that this is important. The way you need to do it has to change. And that change is a problem. So, whoever is resonating with this would know what I'm saying, okay? Or maybe you will get an idea of what I'm saying. You need to open that door. You need to open that door. Maybe that door is something that you locked quite a number of years back, so things have accumulated there. But you have to be that free spirited person that you were, and you will be victorious. See, you're opening that door. See, right now I see that you've locked the door. You need to slowly open it. It's not like you will have to open it like dang right away, like full bloom opening the door for someone. No, 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 no. That's not what I'm saying. Open it up gradually, like be open. That's the advice here. And in the next 15 days I actually see you opening up to this. And if you open up, I see the other side of the situation also opening up for you. Now, if this is a person or a career path, I don't know, please take it how it resonates. So the other part of the story also opens up for you. Okay? So technically, what I'm seeing over here is you got to be a little more daring in terms of letting things happening, okay? Or else the situation will go away. Because I'm just seeing that, the fear or the lack of conviction over this situation can be a problem, okay? Maybe you're attaching too much of your expectations to this situation. Like maybe the problem was the expectations in your past. So maybe you expected a lot, and that is what created this mess here. That is what you need to control. That is what you need to control. Okay? Let's see what is the advice to you from the universe here. Let's see what is the advice to you from the universe. Rejoice in celebration. Triumph. Hope. I think the problem is expectations. You had a certain kind of an expectation in the past from a situation which was similar. That way of thinking has to change. Your expectation setting has to be different this time. The same set of expectations will not get you what you're looking for. Okay? Because it will not. It will not. Technically, what I see is that if you change the way you think or you allow certain things to change in your mind, then this situation can bring you immense amount of happiness. I think this somebody must have told you also. I can see that. Maybe your friends or someone, but it's difficult for you to bring about that change, and that is why I'm saying it is karmic. So if you're able to do it, then this situation will bring you a lot of happiness, okay? But if you can't, then it's totally up to you. However, in the next 15 days, I feel that this idea will set in you that yes, you need to bring about that change, okay? But when you bring about that change, only then you will see a transformation in this situation. So that is what I'm picking up for you, Aries. I hope this brings you the clarity that you're seeking. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So the link is there in the description. You can have a look at that. And let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Take care, and I shall see you soon. Bye.